Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your missing DLL files into your Windows. Very simple. First, what you can do, just pick any of your favorite browser and then come over, download DirectX user. Over here you can see Direct End User Runtime Web Installer. After coming on that, you just simply click on download and then your DX web setup .exe is downloaded. Now if you click on it 2 times to install, minimize the browser, click yes for the permission, and you will get installing Microsoft Art DirectX over here. Click on I accept the agreement, then click next. Then uncheck the installs of Bing bar and then click next. And after that, your DirectX setup will be installing. And after that, you will get this kind of installing bar over here. So keep patience and it will be downloaded very soon. And we can see that the downloading components are completed and now they are installing. So keep patience on it. And you can see after completing the download or installation, you will get this kind of interface over here. After that, you just simply click on finish. And now if you just simply restart your PC and your problem will be solved. After completing the restart now, you just need to come over into search option and then you just need to search for CMD. After that, click as run as administrator, click yes for the permission. And then here you just need to type sfc/scan now and then click enter. It will begin to scanning and it will take a minute. So for that, you just need to keep patience. And you can see that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So yeah, this is how you can fix your missing DLL files in Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.